Alright, sup guys, done the breakers yard today, and they have a Passat by here. They bought it with no keys. I'm not making the keys, I'm just opening it so they can get it down in the yard to break. So we put our pick in and put tension on, we tap down, see which is solid and which is not. So number 1 hard, now springy, number 2 springy, number 3 springy, 4 springy, 5 is binding, now she's down, 6 is springy, 7 and 8 is springy. Then we go back to the beginning, rinse and repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put a bit more tension on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The problem is with this lock is not the greatest. It is ganked up like no tomorrow. So I'm going to keep turning it bit by bit with my hand in standard, just so we can get a bit more tension on it. And it's not the best position to be in up here, because I'm stuck between a car full of rubbish and this car. Oh, I missed 7, 8 then. 3's banged in. There we are. Ugh. And that's it, job done. I won't be making a key for this one, but if they want one, I will make one. I'll do a video on that too. So thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. Nothing in the glove box. Damn, thought it would be a key.